A jointer is a woodworking machine that smooths and flattens the face and edge of stock lumber to make it perfectly square. Instead of running a tool against wood like one would do using a hand planer, with a jointer, the wood is pushed against the tool. This tool consists of a long flat surface bisected by a cutting head with a cast iron guide fence. As the wood runs through the jointer, the cutting head's blades remove a layer of the wood surface to create a perfect square. If you're in the market for a jointer, keep reading to learn what factors to consider when shopping for one of these powerful tools. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best jointers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ShopFox W1829 6-inch 1.5 HP benchtop jointer. Power equates to a good smooth cut, especially when it comes to harder woods. ShopFox's benchtop jointer comes well equipped to handle such jobs. Thanks to a stout 1.5 horsepower motor that delivers up to 20,000 revolutions per minute RPM and 20,000 cuts per minute. With its durable cast iron build, the jointer makes a good option for home or professional workshops. Its 28 1/2-inch long cutting surface and 6-inch wide blade can handle medium-sized lumber. The ShopFox allows users to fine-tune the cutting depth to a maximum of 1/8 inch and the angle on the adjustable fence from 90 to 45 degrees in either direction. An integrated vacuum system and sizable 2 1/2-inch dust port enable maximum dust collection to help keep your workshop clean. This benchtop jointer will move from the workshop to job site as long as there's an extra set of hands to help move the 80-pound unit to the truck. Number 2. WEN JT 630H 10-amp 6-inch spiral benchtop jointer. For those embarking on their journey into jointing or those who only require one for occasional projects throughout the year, WEN presents an excellent option for beginners that remains budget-friendly. Similar to more expensive benchtop jointers, this model boasts a 6-inch wide blade driven by a robust 1.5 HP motor, ensuring sufficient power for various woodworking tasks. The inclusion of large, user-friendly knobs facilitates easy adjustment of the blade depth, ranging from 0 to 1/8 inch, enhancing precision and control. WEN's jointer stands out with its generous 30-inch table length, providing ample space for new woodworkers to maneuver and work comfortably. The aluminum adjustable fence, measuring a substantial 19 3/4 inches by 4 1/4 inches, offers versatility by allowing bevel adjustments of up to 45 degrees, catering to a range of project needs. Safety features are prioritized with the inclusion of a spring-loaded blade guard and 2 push blocks, designed to safeguard the hands of less experienced users by keeping them at a safe distance from the blade during operation. Number 3. Craftsman CMEW020 10-amp benchtop jointer. Craftsman gives users a lot to like about its impressive benchtop jointer. Its powerful 10-amp motor can make up to 22,000 cuts per minute, which is plenty of power for both softwoods and hardwoods. A variable speed range of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM allows users to control the blade speed for optimum performance. A large aluminum fence tilts up to 45 degrees to provide plenty of support while cutting. Transporting a jointer to a work site, or even from a storage shelf to a workbench can be difficult, as some models weigh up to 80 pounds. Craftsman's benchtop jointer weighs in at a manageable 35 pounds. Despite its lightweight construction, it can handle boards up to 6 inches wide and features a sturdy 30-inch long work surface. Number 4. WEN JT 833H 10-amp 8-inch spiral benchtop jointer. Many 8-inch jointers, typically reserved for professional shops, come with hefty price tags reaching into the thousands. However, WEN's 8-inch jointer stands out by offering a more budget-friendly option, often even more affordable than some 6-inch jointers on the market. Although its 10-amp motor may not match the power of industrial-grade jointers, it delivers ample strength for the majority of woodworking tasks undertaken by home enthusiasts. WEN's jointer showcases an intelligent design approach, particularly with its jointer table. While measuring a respectable 33 inches in length, it can be extended to an impressive 51 inches with the addition of extenders. This feature accommodates larger workpieces that necessitate the use of an 8-inch blade, providing flexibility and versatility for dyers tackling various projects. Similar to WEN's 6-inch jointer, safety remains a priority with the inclusion of a spring-loaded blade guard and push blocks, ensuring users' hands are kept safe during operation. Additionally, the fence boasts a beveling capability of up to 45 degrees, enhancing the jointer's adaptability to different woodworking requirements. Number 5. Wahuda 5180 CCWHD 8-inch benchtop jointer. Most benchtop jointers feature a 6-inch two-sided cutting blade adequate for most home woodworkers. Wahuda Tools takes it up a notch with this 8-inch helical-style 4-sided blade. With its wider cutting edge and spiral shape, this blade removes wood more evenly and leaves a smoother edge than standard two-sided blade jointers. An 8-inch blade doesn't mean a whole lot alongside a small work table that can't support larger pieces of wood. Still, a longer benchtop takes away the portability of a benchtop jointer. Wahuda solves this dilemma with rollout extensions that expand this jointer's benchtop from 34 inches to 51 inches. The jointer weighs in at a portable 60 pounds. But the all-steel and cast-iron jointer doesn't skimp on quality. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.